hear that whine? Sounds sick. 2023 slime green Challenger Hellcat. Absolute beast, as you can see. Got the stickies on there. It's got the full FLowmaster exhaust with the sweet ass X-pipe, H-pipe contraption that they make. It's all 3-inch stainless steel. Got the FLow FX mufflers on there. Got the valve. FLowmaster brings these weird brackets that we have to bracket on. Not a huge fan of those, but they work. They get the job done. And then you have the dual 3.5-inch tips. Now this thing should sound pretty sweet. We just unbolted an MBRP kit. Not a big fan of that system either. I think Borla course is the way to go, but this should sound pretty sweet. We're gonna drop it, we're gonna crank it, and then show you the rest of the car, because this thing is a sick ass ride. 2023 slime green Challenger. Bro, hop in, let me show you this interior. So we're in the interior of this slime green Challenger Hellcat Jailbreak. This thing's a sick ass ride. It's got the suede seats. Suede steering wheel. Got the red seats. Got the SRT airwear. This thing's pretty sick. Now, Dodge is supposedly discontinuing their V8 line for some weird reason. I don't know why. I don't know what the hell else they're gonna do, but for them to discontinue their bread and butter, not really a good business plan in my opinion. I think this is what makes Dodge what it is. So supposedly they're getting rid of all the V8s. They're just now dropping all the last calls, which means Dodge is pretty much over. I think they're going bankrupt if they go full electric, and hopefully Trump saves us. Very little drone inside, which is pretty sick. Sounds good. Like I said, very little drone inside the cab, which is awesome. FLowmaster makes a pretty decent kit for this car. Again, I like the Borla, I like the Corsa a little bit better. If I had this car, I'm slapping Borla Attack, baby, because I'm Borla till I die. And they hooked us up on the Supra, which I love them forever. So, J Supra, this guy, holding the camera, got a free exhaust system from Borla. I'll pop the hood, show you guys the supercharger. It's got actual functional vents here. So the air duct kind of feed air right into the engine. Are actually not even functional, guys. There's no hood, there's no fucking scoop here. Non-functional air ducts. I didn't even realize that. That's fucked up. Oh, this one's functional. So this one kind of feeds air into there, but right into the air intake. But that one's closed off. Not sure why they do that, but oh, it's got an SRT plaque right here. So that's the supercharger. It says CERT for certified supercharger, and then it's got a Hemi, and it's got the stock factory Hellcat air intake. I'm gonna rev it for you guys so you hear the supercharger whine.